In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Copilot suggestions as you type. To get started, open your code editor or document where you're currently using Copilot. This can be any supported workspace where Copilot is active and ready to assist. Before you begin, it helps to make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the suggestion to appear, because Copilot will generate completions based on the position of your cursor and the context around it. Once your editor or document is open, begin typing your text or code just as you normally would. There's no need to use any special command at this stage. Simply write naturally, whether you're drafting a sentence, building a function, or creating a new section in your file. Copilot works by analyzing what you're typing in real time, so the more relevant context you provide, the better the suggestion is likely to be. After you've entered a bit of text or code, pause briefly. This short pause gives Copilot a moment to process what you've written and predict a useful continuation. In many cases, the suggestion appears almost instantly, but giving it a second can help if it doesn't show up right away. This is especially useful when you're working with longer lines, more detailed logic, or more complex written content. As you pause, look for ghost text to appear on your screen. This ghost text is Copilot's suggested completion. It usually appears in a lighter, faded style, so you can distinguish it from the text you've already typed. Pay close attention to what it's offering before accepting it, so you can confirm that the suggestion matches your intent and fits naturally with what you're working on. If the suggestion looks right, press the Tab key on your keyboard to accept it. This will insert the suggested text directly into your document or editor, saving you time and reducing repetitive typing. It's a simple action, but it can make your workflow much smoother once you get used to it. From there, continue typing as you go. Each time you add more text or code, Copilot can generate new suggestions based on the updated context. This creates a natural rhythm. Type, pause, review the ghost text, and accept it when it's helpful. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.